Hi, my name is Mark Ironson, and a lot of people have asked me about business plans in their property business, and it's really weird, because what's the importance of a business plan in your property business? Well, it's crucial, absolutely crucial. The reason is because if you don't write a business plan, then investors or people that you're going to trade with don't know what you're doing, they don't know what you plan to do, they don't know how your business works and operates. They should, because it's a story. Your business plan isn't a CV, we're not employed. It creates a story of what you plan to do and what your business plans to do. So it's incredibly important that people get your story, because stories sell, products don't. And we're at High Force. High Force is just behind me. That's part of the way down the River Tees. The High Force waterfall is about 21 metres high, and it's over 330 million years old. Your business plan doesn't have to be as robust as that, but it does have to describe and display what you're going to do for the year, And in the second year, when you've written your business plan, and everyone writes a business plan at the end of the first year, it describes a story in reality compared to what you plan to do. So it's completely crucial to have one. If you need some help doing your business plan, by all means get in touch. My name is Mark Ironson, and I help entrepreneurs and startups create the plan, build the business from scratch quite often, and get you going. So if you want to change your life, get out of the 9 to 5, create more time for yourself and you and your family, then get in touch. My name is Mark Ironson, and I'll speak to you soon.